Hi, have you ever felt overwhelmed by the idea of cleaning your home only to realize that your vacuum is too bulky to get into those tight spaces? You're not alone. This is the SwitchBot Mini Robot Vacuum K10 Plus Pro. Join me to see if its small size can tackle the biggest messes. Can a tiny vacuum really make a big difference in your cleaning routine? Today I'm excited to introduce you to the SwitchBot Mini Robot Vacuum K10 Plus Pro, a so-called game changer in the world of cleaning technology. Well, it's only partially a game changer because SwitchBot introduced the K10 Plus in 2023, which is also a small vacuum cleaner. This compact powerhouse is loaded with features designed to address common issues found in larger robot vacuums. But what makes it so special? For starters, its compact size isn't just a novelty, it's a deliberate design choice that solves some of the biggest problems people face with traditional vacuum cleaners. In an era where minimalism is king, our living spaces are becoming increasingly cluttered with bulky appliances. The SwitchBot K10 Plus Pro is a cute little vacuum cleaner offering a cleaning solution that's both effective and unobtrusive. Its diminutive size is more than just a gimmick. It fits perfectly in small apartments or offices. When it comes to cleaning, size really does matter. A smaller vacuum means easier storage and reduced clutter. But that's not all. Compact vacuums like the K10 Plus Pro also offer improved maneuverability, making it easier to get into those hard-to-reach areas that traditional vacuums often struggle with. The K10 Plus Pro promises to be able to clean those hard-to-reach corners better than traditional robot vacuum cleaners. It includes a 360 degrees LSD navigation radar to fully scan the entire house environment. Next to that, the PSD lateral edge sensor accurately scans the surrounding environment and flexibly navigates obstacles, which helps reduce collisions. And it has a sensitive cliff sensor to detect edges so that it won't fall off the edges. So, how do traditional vacuum cleaners stack up against the SwitchBot K10 Plus Pro? Let's be real, most of us have struggled with bulky vacuums that are a pain to store and even harder to maneuver around furniture. They're often heavy, cumbersome and frustratingly ineffective in tight spaces. Its diameter is 24.8 cm and its height is just 9.2 cm, so it should fit below most beds and couches. The SwitchBot K10 Plus Pro weighs just 2.3 kilograms, so it's lightweight and easy to handle, making it perfect for quick cleanups or deeper dives into those hard-to-reach areas. And with its slim design, you can effortlessly slide it under furniture or tuck it away in a corner when not in use. Most of the time, robot vacuums are ugly. Well, I don't find the SwitchBot K10 Plus Pro very attractive either, but because it's so small, it stands out less in my interior. The K10 Plus Pro looks almost exactly the same as the K10 Plus, but it has some different features, which is why it has been given the name Pro. The K10 Plus Pro enhances the K10 Plus by delivering strong suction, quieter performance and advanced features for an improved cleaning experience. The Silent Tag technology helps reduce noise levels during silent cleaning to just 45 decibels, which is quieter than a library. Next to this, it has a Do Not Disturb mode that can be used during work hours or during the night, so dust won't be collected during these hours. The rubber brush makes sure that hairs do not get tangled easily during cleaning process. Notably, it offers superior corner coverage for a more comprehensive clean. And it even has a base station with a 4-liter dust bag, allowing you to dispose of garbage just once every 90 days. It also integrates effortlessly with your smart home setup through Matter support. By the way, you'll need the SwitchBot Hub tool to use Matter, and with that you can also integrate the K10 Plus Pro into Home Assistant. Unfortunately, you can only use the on-off function, so you can't configure the robot settings in Home Assistant. But what about its cleaning process? The K10 Plus Pro boasts an impressive 3000 Pascal suction power, which is more than enough to tackle even the toughest messes. And with its advanced LiDAR SLAM Plus position sensitive detector system, it can expertly dodge furniture and other obstacles with ease, ensuring a thorough and efficient clean every time. It also has a wall detection sensor that makes sure that it follows the walls correctly. I installed the robot vacuum in my office and it follows my curtains neatly because of this sensor. The installation was very easy. It's just a matter of adding the robot to the SwitchBot app and it worked right away. It immediately started vacuuming my office, which is quite a challenge because there are quite a few cables on the floor. Fortunately, you can create no-go zones on the map so that the robot doesn't get tangled in all the cables. I still have some work to do to make my floor cable-free. In addition to vacuuming, this robot can also mop. Cleaning cloths are provided for this purpose, which you can attach using a special holder. I personally never use this feature, but it can be useful if you want to mop your floor occasionally. The SwitchBot K10 Pro costs €599.99 or $599.99 and can be purchased via the link in the description. There's also a coupon code there. If you purchase it through this link, I will receive a small affiliate fee. It won't cost you anything extra and you'll be helping me continue this channel. For me, this K10 Pro is a welcome addition to my office. It's small, fast and doesn't get in the way. If you want to vacuum your entire house, I think the SwitchBot S10 is a better solution. But for apartments and small offices, I find this a very nice vacuum cleaner. So, what do you think about compact vacuums? Share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to check out my other videos for more tech reviews and insights. Thanks for watching. If you want me to keep making these videos for you, you can help by sponsoring me just like these people do. Thanks to them, this channel still exists. You can find links to Patreon, Ko-fi and how to become a paid member of this channel in the video description. For the price of a cup of coffee per month, you ensure that I can continue doing this work. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye bye. 3000 Pascal suction, suck it.